So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. सबसे पहले congratulations to all of you. We have completed 3 poems. This is the last stanza of the poem 3. Now we have to start 4th poem. We have completed 3 poems. So congratulations. This is the last stanza for this poem. We have completed all the stanzas with their questions and their same word meanings also. Now coming to the last stanza, before poet name is very necessary. So poem 3, poem name A Tiger in the Zoo, written by Leslie Norris. Who is the poet of the poem? Leslie Norris. Then coming to the stanza, he hears the last voice at night. वो लास्ट अपनी जो लास्ट वॉइस है वो कब सुनता है? रात को. क्या सुनता है लास्ट में? द पेट्रोलिंग कार्स मतलब जैसे वो पुलिस की गाड़ी नहीं होती जो रात को ऐसे ऐसे चक्कर लगाती रहती हैं, देखते थे कि कुछ ठीक है, कुछ गलत तो नहीं हो रहा, सब कुछ सेफ है, नहीं है. देन सेम वर्ड मीनिंग फॉर पेट्रोलिंग विल बी ऑन विगिल. What would be it? On vigil. And stares with his brilliant eyes. Stares, look intently. देखता रहता है. With his brilliant eyes, his shining eyes, at the brilliant stars, at the shining stars. और वो रात को क्या करता रहता है? अपनी चमकीली आंखों से चमकीले चमकते हुए सितारों को देखता रहता है. So the same word meaning of the stairs will be the look intently, and brilliant would be shining. Okay, done. Now moving to the questions of this stanza. What sound does the tiger hear at night? What sound? The patrolling cars. What? The patrolling cars. Next, how do his tigers look? Brilliant eyes. At what does he look at? At the brilliant stars. Which word means look intently? Look intently means stares. Look intently means stares. And the rhyming words in the stanza? The rhyming words would be cars and stars. These are the rhyming words for the stanza. So finally we have completed 3 poems with their stanzas, questions and their same word meanings. I hope these are useful to you guys. So thank you so much. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. For grammar, please subscribe ENG Hub Muskan channel. This is that channel only and only for the grammar topics like pronoun table, voices, modals, tenses. आई थिंक उस चैनल पे अभी मॉडल्स स्टार्ट कर रखे हैं, जैसे हमने उस पे शैल, विल, शुड कंप्लीट कर दिया है. आई थिंक टुडेज टॉपिक विल बी वुड.